Sana yana na musumpem Choja awo sunai Sana ne ba pani na natapua Atase kwatodu pro Ya me baba Ha mana kamansa Abrapa Ha Saso ana Ya papa nona da preshi ya ya hori na ya huse Ono ana ye Aha Ay, nana Okofo Bonsu. Ay, maduma alkobi hene. Pechei, Dompoase Adanso hene ba pani. Ay, Dompoase Adanso hene ba pani nana fosia. Okofo Okofo Yasmini, Sasuna Dompoase, aha, Aya Asini, on a Tosumiano. Now you call the program and say from Pansa. I also Yasmini, now you tell Abapasami, Yana number for Anachi, Anachi, for Anachi, or for Anachi, no man may Aya Asini, I'm 12 Ayasini. Asrafo ana wo kwalafo ana antoa eya sirini konfamachi eya sirini ni papa eya kwalani ni papa wa ya kwalani aha a ofri Adanso famina ana ani ayi sa papo wo aluti ana ya jaso Nana, Weshia, Ofolipani, Billy Cry, Odropani, Cry, I'm sorry, I'm making me a new air. Sorry, I'm also. Nana, Weshia, Odropani, Billy Cry, Sasuna, Janana, Amankwa, Otu Amponso. Aha. Yes, I was looking on an arm. I did not see it. Aha. I was so in it. Nana, watch out for dropping me crying. Nana, Odia Salon. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okofo Kwabena Bonsu. And I don't know if you had a long day. I show my demand to be a boss of a but they are also a hitting now.
Ewuradia uyo nyankupona osuro nya asase tumi nyina kutaw Isranka wudinda we awudinda dai acha yankwa ni wa masabu tayin su abasu fefefe Isranka wudinda yampa boni se dan jumadi nyina shawunsa ewurade efi jumadi fiti ase kopima wie nyina ye ja shawunsa esani mustudi ya tutamo odimuda ya disradin se ewurade wudi wasum de badum yan na se ni asha se wasum de mu ni ya wie ni sa ya di asidan ya ye ni kan fu be ma wudinda Ishire nyankopon ya da wase se wati empa bo sabiri e wo nyame agya nyame oba nyame nkukudi mu nti amen
Yeah. Dompoase West MP. Honorable Ewa. Minister of Sabo Asia of Kwayamabe. Yasansuo, Mr. David Hill. Or your businessman out of Free United Kingdom. Also Bekayansa. You Mr. Marius. Also Free Romania. Or your associate, international associate police president. Also Eka Yeho. Yasanso our Professor Lawrence Dakwa. Only business rep. Also our ha. Yeho Mr. Set Tukudu. Also Customs. Also our ha. Tukudu. Mr. Set Tukudu. Yeho Madam Araba Busumche. Only secretary to the former President John Ejekum Kufuor. Yasansuo Halet Ose Ofri Turkey. Also Ababeka Yaho. Yawo Kamen Paka. Also a former banker. Also Romania. Also Ababeka Yaho. Yawo Mr. Obriyabua Dompoase Senior High. Esuwaha. Yawo Buafe Free Apeja Senior High. Enso Ewaha. Yawo Mr. Kamara. Oh yeah, Koko Kratini, Kesiapa, and also Ewaha, Yawa the Muslim community, Esuaha, any Abuafo de Bray, a bread any Emremono, Yadabuafaka, Edi Ebatuja, Yadamasi. Bonsama or Sofapani, oh Bonsamu ye, aha, Sunday, Santibi, Ato Eba, Ayana, Asamua Beko, aha, I can sign my hene, ha. Ono na ejinemu ama yanana ahensan hene ha tinana yanana se sabre djumedi a yede ahye yanana no etseni atitifo a jebo modi yede ahye o monsai yede akasabu ibe mo na djumedi so mo so wa o ma ka ho bibi e de akire ye yo
Fata say ye ba na ye be ka ho mini anu me ba ye de enkomo ye wo ha ye die a ne se djumadie no aye fe na ani Dompoase man e na ye da omu ase na ye nja na e wa ha ye nim se amamu a
obu amado pasmai no oyasa ema ye nyina nti ye waka na ho na anamonti obi opeso otu sa efri ne anniversary way ko obeye ama Dompoase man apagya no ma ebiaka Adanso man ne Ghana man nyina no na etawachi nti na we de aseda na ye de ma na mi enhira no ma wahenie so no enche ye da mo ase bebre
Nana Okofo Kwabena Bonsu. Three grace guys gathered here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great joy and a big opportunity for me to be here this afternoon to give you this presentation on education policy, the document policy. Education is something that we all encourage, we all aspire, and without education, sometimes we are limited to do what we aspire to do. And I stand here before you today because of education. I am from Dompoase, Adanso. I went to school at Wabi, LA. From there to from Fomena to Legon. From Legon, I did a program at Harvard in the US. From Harvard, I did MBA also in the US. And it's all because of education. I run my own business in Accra. I have about 60 workers in Accra. Now, this education fund is established to support the youth of the Dompoase Adanso community that is located in the Ashanti region. The aim is to provide financial assistance to the deserving students to help them achieve their educational goals and contribute to the socio-economic development of this community. Now, every program has a vision, and I would like to touch on the vision statement that has been put together by the committee for this program. The vision for this educational fund is to empower the youth of the Dompoase Adanso through education, enabling them to become self-resilient and contribute to the community's growth and development. Then we touch on the mission statement to offer financial and education support to underprivileged students in the Dompoase Adanso, enhancing their academic performance and equipping them with skills for a brighter future. Now, we want to say that what is the main objective for this educational fund? The first one, to provide scholarship and financial assistance to students from low-income families in the Dompoase Adanso, to promote academic excellence by rewarding students, to support skills and development and educational training for young people in this community, to reduce school dropout rates. We know that sometimes a lot of people are unable to complete their education because of financial challenge, to reduce, to create opportunities for mentorship and career guidance. And then we want to look at the eligibility criteria for selection. And we want to say that how must someone qualify to take this program or to become a beneficiary for this? Yes, applicants must be a resident of Dompoase, must be enrolled in a recognized educational institution like primary, secondary, tertiary, and must demonstrate financial need, must maintain satisfactory academic record for the fund standard. A priority will be given to students with exceptional academic performance, and then the type of support. So we're going to offer scholarship that will pay tuition fees and all that, and then grants will also be given out to purchase books and study materials, and also to offer skills development support for other students who are unable to go through the formal education. And now we know that this educational fund must have a structure. So we have the governance structure that will be managed by the advisory board comprising the community leaders, education experts, representative from the business communities, and Nana Dompoase hene serving as the patron for this fund. And then the source of fund. Now we're looking at this program shouldn't be like only today, and we want to look at sustainability. So where do we get money to contribute for sustainability? And so we're going to get money from the chiefs, and also fundraising, just like what is being organized here today, and grants from government and non-governmental organizations. And we also going to look at monitoring and evaluation. Now, it's not like the funds are being given out today, but we want to see how it will be monitored in terms of assessment and other things to keep it going. And so there will be, it will be reviewed from time to time to ensure that yes, the program is going on well. And then also we're looking at strategic implementation plan for this educational project. I mean, some of them has been taken off already. So there's a timeline. From from so the timeline, we're saying that from 1 month and above, so the former advisory board has already been constituted, and then the development criteria for scholarship selection and application process, the launch, which that is what we're doing today, and then the fundraising side is also ongoing, and so the fundraising, so raising fund like from the community and some other people and business organizations, alumni. For example, if you're here and in future you benefit from this fund, we're expecting you to pay back. It's always good to pay back to your community. Like I'm here today, why? Because I schooled here and I am here to pay back to my community.
Church of Pentecost, 500. Dompoase Church of Pentecost, 500 cities. Samson, and a thousand Pantadukro, and also adding 1,000 on the Adanso, on Chebra. I'll be having a bath. Sorry. I said, George Obro, the US candidate, MPP. Sansona, Onwa, and DC, Honorable Ankoma, Onwanso Akaho, Sansona, Honorable Arikusi, that's not district. Coordinator, Nana Crab, the Animoro, and Honorable Okofo, Nano Coordinator, and the executives, you know, any George Obro. Chiano, Ebra, Honorable Sibuchi, Honorable Sibuchi, Honorable National, Dompoase is a war. From BC, Honorable, Adanso. Na yanzu ya berapa ya mutubu wa mungu wansu ya yanzu mutubu yasu ona mo George Oduro ha no watu bia guni abema so guni aketwa na ya na yanzu ya berapa na me mo na say lawyer say so be trade me so ba sabre afena National Democratic Congress. Almost 500 cities. 5 million almost had a snap.